Now, let's just run you through how to record a track into each one of these different setups. What you do is you press record or play. So from when you press it again, when you stop and press it again, it will capture that sequence. So okay, so it's looping that section. Okay, so basically you just press the record one. If you'd like to wipe one of these tracks, you leave the stop button down and it releases a track. So you record a new clean track in, like so. And there it is. Another little loop into track one. Okay. Just to finish up, very simply, the different inputs, which we probably should have started with this, is you have a mic input here, you have jack inputs here, left and right, mono for your instrument, and you have an auxiliary input. These three inputs are controlled by these three volumes. Once you record things into these three tracks, you use these three volumes to adjust and your main volume. Okay. Let's just run through, we're basically running through the whole setup on this video, and I'm going to cut it into pieces. So, okay, let's talk about the rhythm section.